Do you want to schedule messages on Instagram? You can set Insta chat messages on schedule with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To schedule messages on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on the Instagram newsfeed, tap on the message icon at the top right of the screen. Now, you are in your Instagram direct messages section. Here, you will see the chat list with friends you have messaged. Scroll down and open one of the chats where you want to schedule a message. At the bottom of the chat conversation screen, tap on the message input box and type the message you want to schedule. Once your message is ready, press and hold the message send icon. Now, a pop-up screen will appear. From here, set the time for the scheduled message. You can choose the day, hour, and minute. Once the time is set, tap on the send button at the bottom of the screen. Now your message is scheduled for the selected date and time. It will automatically be sent at the scheduled time.